Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to secure your Cleo account with two-factor authentication. Cleo takes your user privacy seriously, and enable two-factor authentication is going to add an extra layer of security, requiring both a password and a verification code to log into your account. Now, what is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication protects your account by requiring a code that's going to be sent to your phone or email whenever you log in from an unrecognized device or browser. And here's how to enable that in Cleo. What you got to do first is open the Cleo app, and then you're going to tap the menu icon and then go to settings and then security settings. And here you're going to tap two-factor authentication and then add and verify your mobile number if it's not already linked, and you're going to receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Just enter the code to activate two-factor authentication. Now, when you're going to need two-factor authentication is when you're logging in from a new device, or whether you're resetting your password, or if you're making certain account changes. An important tip to note, always keep your phone number updated in Cleo, and if you lose access to your phone, you're going to need to contact Cleo support to regain your account access. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.